New Zealand dollar on weekly chart is one of the perfect example I'm showing you. This is something that was discovered Deep Gartley Pattern completion at X, right? And I've been telling many people that this setup that we have tested a few years back works amazingly, right? It has been 7 years for those who are interested, right? Because I've been trading for 20 years and been trading this for 10 years, this setup for 10 years. So that's how the numbers add up, right? And we know what to look out for to know that this is a good trade to hold on. And traders as in this and have received our training would know that we have really achieved our stops entry for a setup like this. So meaning to say that a setup like this, a trade like this will produce only upside and no downside, right? So if this idea interests you, you love to trade and invest with a lower attention span, you just wait for the market, the smart devices to watch the market for you, monitor the market for you, and send you alerts when you reach those level. All you need to do is to wait for the confirmation to happen to make the final call to engage a trade. Drop me a DM on that, right? So on the daily chart, nothing much for myself, although there are some resistance level, but that's not the focus I have for the New Zealand dollar, right? On the 4-hour chart, some traders might be hoping to look for some form of pullback because they might miss the weekly chart setup over here, right? Which we have combo trades on this shark pattern. You can see that this reduced the risk significantly, and if you hold on to the trade, it's still running, right? And if you're waiting for opportunity, there's two spots that traders typically look at. If you know how to look at the chart, there are three, but I've just introduced the two prominent one, and the first one will be the retest of support 0.5723, the immediate key support level over here, and the bullish shark pattern setup 0.5618 on this bullish shark pattern setup. On the 1-hour chart, nothing much for myself. We do have a support level 0.5736, and of course, if you do your analysis, there is a bad pattern on the 1-hour chart as well. I will estimate the completion at 0.57 flat, right? So if you want to learn this cool stuff with just one glance, you know what kind of setup is going to happen, where should you be waiting for a buying opportunity and not jumping into trades that you shouldn't be, right? Drop me a DM.